A spike in COVID-19 cases in Florida hasn't stopped people from flocking to South Beach to get some sun. The state, seen possibly as the next U.S. epicenter, reported a record 9,500 cases on Saturday. Dr. Anthony Fauci, the government's top advisor on the pandemic, says a surge in some southern and western states could be due to opening up a little bit too early. The Centers for Disease Control says the spike is also being driven by young people who test positive but are asymptomatic. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis has tightened restrictions, ordering bars to shut.
We did everything. Our staff were wearing masks. We had sanitizing stations. We did weekly tests. We limited occupancy. We did everything that was asked.
Bars in Texas have also been ordered to close, and restaurants required to limit their seating to 50%. Texas Governor Greg Abbott has acknowledged that bars were allowed to open too soon. Several other states, including Washington, Arizona, and Arkansas, have announced they're not moving forward with their reopening plans. Business owners are concerned about this sudden reversal in restrictions, which comes just weeks after an accelerated reopening.
If I can't make money, you know what? Call Tina, Maritza, Deborah, Daniel, Erica, and tell those bartenders they can't work now. All my bartenders and cooks cannot work.
Despite skyrocketing case numbers, the governors of Texas and Florida, both Republicans, have not made it mandatory to wear face masks, instead leaving that decision to local authorities. Health officials in Texas are warning that failure to take proper precautions like wearing a mask or social distancing can make the outbreak unmanageable for hospitals in the state, which are already at 90% capacity.
It's totally dependent on how the community, the individuals in our community react to the messages that they're getting from the governor and from the hospitals. And if they hear the message and if they start wearing the mask and social distancing, we should be able to get through this. If they ignore the message, if they think it's political, if they think it's fake news, if they come up with some excuse not to wear the mask and physically distance themselves, we could be in a world of hurt.
Health experts say while the situation is currently somewhat manageable, they're concerned about 3 weeks from now, when cases could triple as fresh outbreaks hit their peak. Natasha Hussain, TRT World.